Okay, I ended up fleet slowing with the probes. Actually, several minutes. I just started this recording thinking that it would be a good thing to show players. Okay, now what I went and did is I went and sent an espionage report to arrive about 4 minutes ahead. What this does is give us an idea of what is on his planet. As far as Detrium, he logged on and sent me a message, but since this is a war hit, I'm still going to hit him. I agree, war sucks. You just keep getting bashed until there's nothing left. My message to him was that I don't like IPNs and that I attack fleet. But, alright, 3 minutes till the attack. So, we're going to get this point and do a safety prep. Okay, 322.90. Okay, in about 10 seconds. Actually, right now, since it's only 4 probes. Closer you get to the countdown, you want to use more probes. Especially if you can't get him. Or if you can't get a full report. Okay. Alright, now this one should be a couple seconds ahead. Or, yeah, looks like 5. Okay. Alright, since my planet's in the same solar system as his, my probe time is only 30 seconds, I believe. Yeah, 36 seconds. So, that makes this a lot easier as far as setting it up. Okay, right now my times between each probe are about 4 seconds, 3 seconds, and then another like 7 seconds. Okay. Now I'm only sending one because the only thing I want to watch for is Detrium changes. Okay. Alright, now since I'm running out of fleet spots, this will be my fleet slow. Actually. Oh, it's not going to give me to. Oh, I've got him set up enough that everything should go really, really smoothly. Okay, let's go with these two. 146, 146, 146. Okay, he turned off his Detrium production, so the hit's going to be good. Okay, let's go check our combat reports. Okay, well, that is slow probing lesson number 2. This one's probably a lot better than the other one. The other one, I think it logged me out and kind of screwed me up. Yeah, this shows a good demonstration.